Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Orchid token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Orchid OXT is the native cryptocurrency of a decentralized peer-to-peer virtual private network VPN. The aims to provide uncensored internet access through a unique token incentivized marketplace. Decentralized privacy network. It creates a peer-to-peer marketplace where users pay for bandwidth from a global pool of providers, bypassing traditional centralized VPN services. Innovative payment system. It uses parabolic nano payments on the Ethereum blockchain, settling most transactions off-chain to avoid network congestion and high fees. Dual purpose token. The OXT token is used both as a staking assets for providers to complete for users and as the currency for purchasing bandwidth on the network. Orchid project institution rating is 3.5. Orchid token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 997.21 million OXT token. OXT token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Gate.io, KuCoin, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project, up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.